Hello, everybody, and welcome to NEET Mentor. A great news coming from Ministry of Health and Family Welfare that in All India quota now, that is 15% All India quota for UG and 50% All India quota for PG. They have given a reservation for OBC and EWS category candidates. Earlier, the reservation was only applicable for SC and ST candidates. Now 27% reservation is for OBC candidates and 10% reservation for EWS candidates. So if you are new to the channel, you subscribe the channel. It's very grateful platform for all your NEET PG related updates and all important informations, previous year data and analysis done by NEET Mentor. So let's jump to the notification which came from Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and get into the nitty-gritty of the details. So this is a notification from Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and decision taken by Government of India in medical education. 27% reservation for OBC and 10% reservation for economical weaker section, that is EWS, in All India quota scheme for undergraduate as well as postgraduate. It means for NEET UG 2021 and NEET PG 2021 and dental courses for MBBS, MD, MS, Diploma, BDS, MDS from current academical year. So that's the news from current academical year, means for the examination that you are going to write for PG and UG, it will be applicable. And nearly 5,550 students will be benefited as per their data. Government is committed to providing due reservation for both for backward category and the EWS category. So now you can see. So big thanks to Honorable Prime Minister, because the decision was taken in a meeting held on 26th of July, Monday, had directed the concerned union minister to facilitate an effective solution to this long pending issue. And this would be benefited to every year nearly 1500 OBC students in MBBS, 2,500 OBC students in post graduation, and 550 EWS students in MBBS, around 1000 EWS students post graduation. See, once you and how this news will impact for those who are not from OBC and from EWS category, like for general category and SC ST category candidates. Okay, especially for general category candidates, see, they are giving a 27% of reservation for EWS. That's a huge percentage, and 10%, so totally 37% of reservation they are giving in All India quota. It means they have to increase the seats, and you will get more number of seats even if you come from general category. So it's going to be beneficial for each and every candidate. So it's not just good news for EWS and OBC category candidates, but for every candidate who are going to appear for NEET UG and PG examinations. And further they have mentioned this All India quota got introduced in 1986 with the direction of Honorable Supreme Court to provide domicile free merit based opportunity students from any state to aspire to study in a good college located in other state. So it got started in 1986, and All India quota consists of 50%, 15% for UG and 50% for PG. So you already know that there was no reservation when it got started, but after 2007 they gave reservation. The Honorable Supreme Court introduced a reservation of 15% for SC and 7.5% for ST in All India quota scheme. The reservation was available in the central education central universities like AIMS and your central universities, but in All India quota it was not available. Okay, so you can see here, providing an uniform 27% reservation to OBC, the same was implemented in all central education institute like Safdarganj Hospital, Lady Harding Medical College, Aligarh Muslim University BHU, and was not extended to All India quota of the state medical and dental colleges. So this decision was pending, the issue was pending from long time, and thanks a lot to government that they have taken decision in the favor of candidates of OBC and EWS, because they really need it and it will ultimately benefit for all the candidates. Present government is committed to provide reservation for both backward and EWS category, and Union government has now taken a historic decision to provide 27% for OBC and 10% for EWS under the scheme of All India quota. So that's update, and congratulations to all the candidates who are getting benefited. And they have also mentioned there is a seat increase, significant number of seat increase, approx 56% seat increase from in last 6 years in UG, and you can see 80% of seat increase in last 6 years in PG. So government is trying to build their medical infrastructure very robust in very fast-paced manner. So that's an update from NEET Mentor side, and for any kind of doubt you can call us. So thanks for watching.